What's up, guys? I'm actually currently driving the drone right now, so we got a little drone footage right here.
Pretty sick right there. And we're also here with
What's up, guys? It's Pedro, Open Central, and we're right here in Oso Park, base community, and it's just getting fucking cracking right here.
Stay tuned because